Welcome again to Project with Brian. It's a cold one, but hey, progress is being made. Look at my new windows I'm putting in. They're black because we've got white cladding still to go up here, but at the other end I've got the cladding up. Guttering is largely in, and we're not very far off from getting the scaffold down. But come and have a look at the very big window. This is the one that is going to be a feature. So this is the start of it, and what we've got to do is we've got to fill the shape going up. Yeah, this will be the feature of the building primarily, and it's looking good. You can see where the cladding is going to go, and we've used these aluminium hardy plank fittings, and the window comes right up to it. It's a very neat fit. All we've got to do is seal around the edges. Hey, and we've got a good sealed window. Let's go down and have a look at the Insulaton, because I had the building inspector come the other day and he was telling me that was the best looking Insulaton he's seen for some long time. So come and have a look. So here's an example of the Insulaton, and what we've done, of course, is they're all tightly fitted, and they've got expanding foam in there so no air gets through. I've done some preliminary work in cutting out the back of the Insulaton, and you'll notice it looks a bit pedestrian, very big, but that's because when the plasterboard goes over, plasterboard gets cut to the box size of the plasterboard box, and you've got room behind for the clips to fit. So that's the purpose behind that. That's all for the moment. Thank you again for watching Project with Brian. Thank you especially to the guys at Ridgeons who've been telling me they've been watching the channel. Don't forget, subscribe. We're on Instagram and YouTube and
Twitter, yes.
Twitter, yes. Yeah. My apologies, Twitter. And don't forget, any comments, be interested to have them, put the comments below.